Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey, hey, beautiful people, Poetic Angel, and I'm back to do another hair show and tell for you. And this hair I got from Amazon, and as you know, I get most of my products from Amazon. Not only the vendors are really nice, but if the product isn't right, you can always send it back, as opposed to AliExpress and other companies. You know, they give you a hard time and you have to wait for that long shipping process and all that before you get your money back. Okay, so yeah, I go to Amazon. So the store I went to is MEDO store, and this is their new Faux Locs 7-pack soft lock crochet here in the length 24 inches long, and they are actually pre-looped, so it's easy for you to install. I have it in the length 24 inches long, and the color that I chose is the color 613. Now I have not done any 613 color, so I actually chose this one because I needed something different. So stay tuned. At the end you'll see a slideshow of hairstyles, and it does come in other colors, so keep that in mind. The reason why I like to show, you know, the products that I buy is because if you want to just change your hairstyle and you want to know, you know, something about the hair, a lot of times I'll be on Amazon and whatever I purchase, because I do hair also for my clients, and I like to just show you because of the price. Not only Amazon is fantastic when it comes to giving you your money back, because it's, you know, as long as you ship the product and they scan that barcode, you're automatically getting your credit, as opposed to if you buy something from AliExpress like I did the other day and I was scammed, and so I tried to send it back and it took like, it's taken an eternity for me to get my credit. But anyways, without further ado, this is my package. Let's just bust this open. Bust it wide open. Okay, so this is how you will receive the hair from their store. This is their actual logo on the front, and so let's see what's inside, because, you know, another thing with Amazon, they like to send you goodies, and I love goodies. So you're gonna get 7 of these, and on each I'm gonna actually open it so you'll see how many strands are actually on the in each pack. And they also send you a crochet needle, which is very convenient, and some hair jewelry. So let's take a look at this hair. And again, these are 24 inches long. So if you are gonna do your hair, you might as well just go with that length and just get it over with. This is the short stuff. Yeah, sometimes I don't do the short stuff. The locks, I like to do them super long. All right, so this is the hair. So first of all, let me smell it. It smells like leather, new shoes. All right, so this is the hair, 24 inches long. They are super soft to the touch, not itchy, scratchy at all. And I'm going to actually run it against my face. That's how I test it. If it feels rough and itchy, scratchy, I'm going to tell you. But this is super soft. And let me get in close so you'll see that. So I'm going to actually count. This color is pretty too. It's 613, but it's not yellow. You know how sometimes they look super yellow? This one looks like when you wash it in that what's that, Shimmer Lights shampoo, and it changes the contrast. So now it's more of a white blonde color instead of the more yellow color, if you know what I'm trying to say. All right, so they are pre-looped, and I'll show you right up here at the top. You have the little opening, so you could just enter your crochet needle. And I like that these are super wide. Sometimes you buy these hair and the actual loop is so tiny that you have to try to, you know, open up the hair, and it takes time, especially if you're doing your client's hair. You want to open that loop and thread it through right away. And I know somebody out there knows exactly what I'm talking about. So all right, let's go ahead and count to see how many strands is in each pack, and you're getting 7 packs. So that will determine what you're doing and if you have enough hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 20, I counted 21. So yeah, so if there are 21 strands in each pack of 7, and that's a lot of hair for you to work with, okay? So definitely I'm gonna leave their link down below for you to check out this store and just see what else they have. And again, this comes in a variety of colors, so you don't have to get the actual 613, but I wanted to get this because it's new as for me doing the locks. And yeah, so definitely stay tuned. At the end I will leave a slideshow for you so you could see the hairstyles. And yeah, so it's MEDO store on Amazon. I'll leave the link. I will leave my information. If I left anything out, feel free to hit me up, okay? That's what I'm here for. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing the love. And if you happen to just be cruising by and you come across my video, go ahead and hit that corner, subscribe, and show me some love, okay? And as always, don't forget to enable your notification. And I want you to know I love and appreciate each and every last one of you. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. So until my next hair show or show and tell or hair review, Poetic Angel, be safe, put God first, keep a clean heart. I love you and appreciate you. One love. Mwah. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it?